Hi, my name is Cassandra McClure, and I'm a clean beauty artist, entrepreneur, and podcaster. And today I'm going to show you how to clean your beauty blender. So the first step to cleaning your makeup sponge, if it's dirty, is to get a glass of water and put a couple drops of soap inside. You can also use shampoo. Then you'll dip your beauty blender in and squeeze so it absorbs all of the water and soap. You'll do this and squeeze it out 3 or 4 times or until the makeup is completely out of the blender. To sanitize the beauty blender after it's nice and clean, you can boil it and let it simmer for 10 to 20 minutes and it'll remove all the bacteria so that you can reuse the beauty blender without transferring any bacteria onto your face. Lastly, you can spritz the beauty blender with a little bit of alcohol to sit and just make sure that it's extra clean. You should be cleaning your makeup sponge at least once a week. Why? Because so much bacteria inside of a sponge that is especially wet can cause lots of skin problems. So you'll want to make sure that it's nice and ready to go each time. A little trick is to have more than one, so while one is drying and being cleaned, you can use the other one. You can also use a makeup remover to clean your blender, an extra step if you use really heavy makeup like face paint or anything like that. And that's how to clean a beauty blender.